Don't forget your neck. Don't forget your neck, girl. You want to moisturize that neck. Cause you don't want to have a turtleneck. When you're 65 years old and you're walking around like... Oh no, we're having technical difficulties. Please bear with me. Alright, here we go. Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are here in my bathroom with my wrinkly robe on. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. This is my official Get Unready With Me video. So I'm going to basically be showing you guys what I do at night for my skincare routine, how I take off all my makeup, and how I get my skin super squeaky clean. So we make sure there's no extra makeup in my pores, no buildup, no breakouts happening, everything. I'm going to show you how to get these lashes off without ripping your eyeballs off and all that. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be using the YALL Morning Time Cleanser. This is a cleansing balm. It says, wake up your skin with this lightweight cleansing balm. It refreshes and revives your complexion, removes dead skin cells, stimulates collagen production, and removes eye makeup while indulging your senses with gentle aromatic ingredients. Aromatic? Yeah. So basically what I do is I take a small amount of the cleansing balm and you want to massage it onto your skin. And you want to do this while your skin is dry. I'm going to show you how. Watch how this breaks down my makeup like crazy. I'm going to add a little more because I have on a lot of makeup. And this is actually my makeup from the night before. But do not sleep in your makeup, people. I do not recommend that. I'm going to show you how this breaks down these lashes. Well, it takes the glue off. Okay, ow. Need a little more. Okay, this one's having a rough time. Oh, a little more massaging. Okay, pretty much if you use this to take off your lashes are going to be a little bit oily, but there is a way to revive your lashes. Yeah, it's not the end for you guys. It's not the end. So now that all my makeup is broken down, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So the Morning Time Cleansing Balm was just step one of our cleansing process. Now I'm going to cleanse again with the AMOREPACIFIC Treatment Cleansing Foam. I really love this cleanser because it foams. You can use it morning and night, and it has these little blue microbeads that pop, that treat and moisturize your skin. Trust me you guys, you can never cleanse enough. You'll be surprised how much stuff can still be on your face even after you've cleansed a lot. So let's get into this. So this is a refreshing water activating foaming cleanser. Gently and effectively removes both makeup and impurities in one step. Gentle enough for all skin types. Use morning and evening. Dermatologist tested. So that's pretty good. I like this one because it treats blemishes, and I have a problem with blemishes. I want to keep my skin nice and clear. Yeah, so you want to squeeze a little bit into your hand, and it's water activated, so you want to use a little bit of water. Have it like this and rub it into your skin. So this is getting in our pores and getting all the dirt and impurities that the cleansing balm didn't grab. I like to cleanse more than once because it just makes sure that I get that squeaky clean look and feel. Don't forget your ears and your neck, your chin. So now that we're nice and foamy, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off and I'll come right back. Okay guys, so now that we rinsed off the AMOREPACIFIC cleansing foam, I'm using my makeup eraser to help me just grab all that extra makeup that the first two cleansers might have missed. My final step in cleansing my skin is a micellar water. So this one is from LANCôME, but you can get micellar water from the drugstore. I think Garnier has one. So this one has a pump. I'm gonna use a cotton ball and just add a few squirts. I like to saturate the cotton ball, and I'm just gonna run this over gently all over my skin, especially under the eye where we left some makeup. And I'm doing this gently because you don't want to irritate your skin. Make sure you get in that hairline too. I always get my hairline. And the ears. Yeah. Under the neck, down the neck. See? All that cleansing we did, and I still have makeup on my skin. So it's really important that you take the steps to cleanse. If your skin is sensitive, you can also splash off the micellar water with a little bit of water on top, but you don't have to rinse off micellar water. That's the beauty of it. I think it's really important to apply eye cream before bed and during the day because your under eye can take a beating. It's super delicate and you want to keep that area hydrated. So I'm going to be using the KIEHL'S Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. And what you do is you apply a little bit to your ring finger and you rub it together until you feel it like get watery. And then you want to take your ring finger and tap this under the eye and rub. So this is going to add that hydration under your eye and help prevent the appearance of aging. Next, I personally like to add my U.F.O Ultra Clarifying Oil from Sunday Riley with 1.5 salicylic acid. This fast-acting, quick-drying medicated oil clears acne and blackhead causing buildup and debris from congested pores for smoother, blemish-free skin. Tea tree oil and black cumin seed oil support clear skin, while blah blah blah. Whatever, I like this oil because you really see a difference with blackheads and pores and acne. So I like to treat my skin overnight using this. It's for oily to acne prone skin. It's cool because it's green and it has a very, very distinct smell. So I put a little in my hand and now I'm just going to press the oil into my skin. And I know you oily people out there are saying, why would you put oil on your skin if you're oily and you have acne? Trust me, oil beats oil, and oil is not gonna clog your pores and break you out. Trust me. I was scared too because I'm combo, but I'm mostly dry around these areas. I'm oily in my T-zone, but I really love this oil. And trust me, it has a very significant smell, so your family is gonna know you're using it when you put it on. It's very strong. But it works. To me, if it ain't strong, it ain't gonna work. You don't wanna neglect any part of your face in your skincare routine. So I'm gonna be using the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. This is an overnight mask that you can put on your lips to make sure they stay nice and hydrated and smooth. You can also use this as a lip balm during the day. It's like super hydrating. It's universal. Anybody can wear it. And it just gives you that nice, shiny, hydrated lip. Another tip is don't forget your neck. Don't forget your neck. Don't forget your neck, girl. You want to moisturize that neck. Because you don't want to have a turtleneck. When you're 65 years old and you're walking around like you don't want to have chicken neck. You don't want to have chicken neck. Make sure you moisturize your neck. Make sure you moisturize your neck. Honey. And that's my Get Unready With Me routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.